First of all, just in terms of the location of the liver, your liver is located mostly on the right side of the abdominal cavity. So it's below the diaphragm here. So if you feel kind of below your rib cage, it's below that, but slightly above and over the stomach. And it's a large organ, but just have a general idea of where it is, first of all. And then just relaxing the hands down by your sides. The healing sound for the liver is shu, shu. So very simply, think of it as S-H-O-O, shu. Some people, when you look, if you've seen it anywhere else, some people use a longer version of this, shu. It could be that. So you might want to try with both the short and the long version, but as I was taught it, I was taught shu. So that's our sound that we're going to be working with. And this sound has a certain vibration that in terms of Chinese medicine and Qigong is connected with cleansing the liver system. So closing the eyes and just follow along with me. So the mouth is closed, breathing in and out of the nose, using your abdominal breath. Breathing in, feel the belly expand. And breathing out through the nose, feeling the belly shrink. And bring your mind now to the location of your liver. So on the right side of your body, below the diaphragm, below the rib cage, just having a general idea of where it's located. So think about the liver organ itself. Keeping your mind on that area of the body. Opening your eyes now. And take a breath in through the nose. And as you do so, lift the hands up. And as you breathe out, bend the knees and drop the arms down. And look down towards the heel of that side. Breathe in, the hands come up. Breathe out, dropping in the knees and looking down. As the hands come up here, as you breathe in, the knees straighten slightly, but not locking out, and breathe out. And now what I'd like you to do is introduce a little bit more fluidity into this movement. So it can be quite quick, but it's still nice and smooth. Breathing in and out, in and out. And you'll notice that this is also a twisting exercise involving the sides of your body. And relax, breathe out. So that is the movement that we're going to use along with the shu sound in order to discharge any waste or sick qi from the liver system. So close your eyes for a moment, thinking of the liver. And you can either keep your eyes closed or open them if you prefer to watch what I'm doing. Breathing in, hands come up, breathing out. And as you breathe out and look to the side, make the sound shu. Breathing in, breathe out, shu, 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 shu. As you're making the sound, think of any waste, qi, leaving the liver system. Shu, 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 shu. Lifting the arms, breathing out through the nose, allowing the hands to drop down by your sides. Keep the eyes closed, and again observing any sensations that you notice in the body or mind. Any tingling in the hands, which shows you that your chi is really flowing now. Smiling and bringing your mind back to your breath. Breathe in through the nose, belly expands. Breathing out, belly shrinks. And as you're doing that, just place one hand flat over your lower abdomen, below your belly button, with the other hand directly on top of the back of the first hand. Bringing your mind to that lower abdominal area, which we call Dantian in Qigong. This is our energy center. We draw our chi or our energy into Dantian, from where it's then circulated around the rest of the body in order to help bring everything back into balance and restore our health. So now just giving your belly a little rub by making circles, firstly in one direction, nice and slowly, and then in the other direction. Still with the eyes closed now, bring the hands together and rub the palms of the hands together until they get really, really hot. And then place one palm over each eye, fingers facing up towards the ceiling, feeling that lovely heat from the palms of your hands, traveling through your eyes, out the back of your eyes to nourish your mind. And when that heat has dissipated, giving your face a little rub, a little wash, just to bring yourself back into the room and gently opening the eyes as you do so. Relaxing the hands down by your sides. So that's a lovely healing sound which is specific to the liver system, and it's one of the 6 healing sounds, which is a very famous Qigong exercise and one which I teach in my Space Relax 50-week program.